Ceasefire LLC is the leader in pre-engineered fire suppression systems technology. They make it easy for you to find the right fire suppression system for your space, with 3D product previews and free CAD model downloads. Let's take a look. From the Ceasefire homepage, go to Products. Here you can browse for the product you need by category, or use the search bar to type in the product ID number. To go to the product page, hover over the image and click Quick View. Scroll down to Documents and click 3D Preview and CAD. In this window, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product, which you can move and zoom to view in up-close detail. You can also see product dimensions as you move the product within the window. To download a free model, click the CAD Download tab, and then click Generate CAD. Click Add Formats, and choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes a 3D preview of the part, product data, and product images. Next, click Start Generation. Once the file has loaded, click Download. For more fire suppression products that you can rely on, visit ceasefire.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.